What is the name of the dog breed that is known for its fluffy white coat and lion-like appearance? Which dog breed is known for its exceptional intelligence and is often used as a service dog? What is the term for a dog's ability to follow a scent trail? Which dog breed is known for its long, silky coat and elegant appearance? What is the name of the dog breed that is known for its distinctive curly tail and squished face? Which dog breed is known for its strong protective instincts and loyalty to its family?